Hey guys, Mad Bee here. There. So I've been invited to an awesome group called Talk and Shop, and they talk about tools and experiences in the shop place and whatnot. But they're really cool, so I'm really excited to be joining them. But anyways, so this video is about our favorite ratchets. So I have 5 that I like. I use a lot. Well, sort of. I'm gonna start with a little guy. This right here, 1/4 inch. I pretty much just use this for interior work, really. It's snap-on, obviously. I haven't had it that long, but it works great. This replaced my Craftsman one. I don't know, my Craftsman didn't hold up that great. The teeth inside or whatever gears, not happy. And then this one I also just got not too long ago. This is crap. This is 3/8 snap-on. I got this to replace my Harbor Freight. My Harbor Freight ratchet was about the same size, also flex head. The only downside to Harbor Freight, even though it was warranty, I broke it several times, and then the pin here kept coming loose no matter what I did. I put a bunch of Loctite on it, but it didn't matter. But this is great. So far, I love it. And this one is a little bit longer. Let me measure it because I can't remember now. This one's like 18 inches long, and it's cobalt. I've had this one for quite a while. I did break it once, but it was warranted, so I like using the longer ratchets because leverage helps me out greatly when I'm working. And now this is also a new one, 1/2 inch snap-on, and it's a flex head, but you can lock it. See? I haven't used it too many times, but and then it's locked into place. That's pretty cool. I like that. If I remember how to use it. There. Yep. And it's got a old man button, is what I've been told. But I like it. It's pretty rugged, that's for sure. And then, last but not least, this one is also a 1/2 inch. I've had this one the longest, and it's also a snap-on. This is really tough. This is a really tough ratchet. I've used this a lot for alignments when I was at the Dodge dealership, because that's basically what I did. So I used it on the like the caster camber bolts on the lower control arms for Dodges, or whatever else came in. It did really well. I did develop this habit where I couldn't switch it over, and so I'd have to like whack it off the ground, but then it'd come right out of it. Since I moved to the Ford dealership, though, I haven't had to use it as much, so it's been taking a break, kind of, sort of. I've also used this lately to get lug nuts off of trucks, basically trucks. If my impact won't take it off, and so I'll use this. Lower the truck down, and I'll put that ratchet on, and I will look like a fool, but jump up and down on it until it finally breaks free, and it holds up really well. It takes the abuse, that's for sure. I've had this, I don't know, probably 3 years or better. It does really well. I like it a lot. So that's pretty much all my favorite ratchets. I have some other ones at home, but I don't use, not at home, at work. At work, but I don't use them as much. They're kind of like backups in case any of these break. But cool, yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.